Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make uncooked shrimp. First, choose fresh, high-quality shrimp, ideally with a firm texture and mild smell. If using frozen shrimp, ensure they are fully thawed under cold, running water before proceeding. Next, carefully peel the shrimp, removing the shell and legs. You can leave the tails on for a more appealing presentation. Finally, devein each shrimp by making a shallow cut along its back and removing the dark vein. Once your shrimp are prepped, it's time to cook them. Sautéing is a popular method. Simply cook them in a hot pan with a little oil for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Grilling offers a smoky flavor. Thread them onto skewers and cook over medium-high heat for roughly 2 minutes per side. For a simple approach, you can also boil shrimp for 1 to 2 minutes until they are fully cooked through. Now for the delicious part, flavoring. Simple seasonings like salt, black pepper, and garlic powder work wonderfully. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the flavor profile significantly. Consider adding fresh herbs such as chopped parsley or cilantro right before serving for an extra burst of freshness. Cooked shrimp are best enjoyed immediately, so serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauce or as part of a larger dish. To ensure perfect shrimp every time, remember not to overcook them. They cook very quickly and can become rubbery if left on the heat too long. For an extra layer of flavor, marinate your shrimp for 15 to 30 minutes before cooking, but avoid acidic marinades for too long. This helps them absorb more seasoning. Also, for a truly effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your perfectly cooked shrimp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.